A simple magician's trick shows us why. They call it the hollow mask study. It's all about the way our mind plays tricks on what the eyes see. Dr. Torsten Passy, professor of consciousness studies at the Hanover Medical School in Germany, oversees the test. He has 3 groups. One is schizophrenic, another on psychedelics, and the third healthy and sober. He then asks the participants to look through a viewfinder at an image of a face mask. Then they view a second image which appears to be exactly the same. Can you tell the difference?
The pictures which are looking like normal faces, but they are in fact not.
Like all hollow masks, one side is convex, facing towards you, and the inside is concave, or hollow. No matter which side of the mask they see, the healthy and sober group sees it as facing towards them, because that's what their mind expects. However, those with mental illness or on psychedelics can differentiate between the two sides the majority of the time. Why? Scientists estimate that the brain receives 11 million bits of information per second, but the conscious mind can only process about 200 bits at a time. To handle that amount of input, the brain connects new information to preconceived concepts.
For example, if something is flying beside you in a very high speed, you may think that may be dangerous. But if you can identify with your concepts these little tiny bit of perceptual info, into, oh, that was a bird, then there's no danger and you calm down again. It's no problem.
By temporarily suspending the brain's ability to connect data with these concepts, psychedelics may decondition the mind.
It's as if the filters that we normally have in order to function are lowered so that literally more can be taken in, more sensory impression, more emotional impression, more visual impression, and more access to parts of the mind.
For some, this might be overwhelming or frightening. But for others, it's their way of life.